Happy Father's Day for all the dads out there. So today here in our team, we celebrate Father's Day. We invite everybody, all their families here. We're having lunch and party and celebration to honor fathers in our lives, right? So the fathers in our lives, these are the men behind in our team here. These are strong men. These are the warriors. These are the people who's out there and making things happen, making a difference in the world, making the world a better place. It's my honor to partner up with this brave men in our team who's every day here to serve. These are real estate market disruptors, right? These are not just men, to be a man. These men in our team. These are strong people who actually always put clients first. We are willing things are different. For example, when people are buying a home, not only the weak people are only showing homes that the buyers can see online. These men here in our team, every day we are searching for homes that the buyers cannot see online. Every day we are fighting, negotiating for the best for our clients to make sure our buyers' clients get their dream home, for our sellers' clients to make sure our sellers' clients are netting more money when they sell. So it's my honor to dedicate today, this Friday, to honor all men out there, and specifically for the men in our team that every day I have the honor and privilege to fight alongside with them to help more families to serve. Like it is our pleasure, our honor to serve you and your family. So once again, happy Father's Day. Make sure this weekend, enjoy your day. This is an honor of you, celebration of you. But rest assured, me and my team, all the men here, we are dedicating this weekend. We are working hard to serve you and your family. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. I love you, Papa.
Felicidad a todos los padres en este día. Feliz Día del Padre a todos.
Happy Father's Day to all the lovely fathers out there. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for all your sacrifice, and thank you for all your love. We are so grateful to have dads. Happy Father's Day.
Hey guys, happy Father's Day. Thank you for all the fathers out there who always provides for their children, and happy Father's Day.